Luisa, is what was the first positive change you noticed outside of the income? Go ahead, sis Luisa.
Thank you, Sir Ryan. Hello, everyone. Maayong udto diha good evening or good morning sa other side of the world. So hi there, it's Luisa Indiano. Currently living here in Sydney, Australia, pero originally from Leyte, Philippines. So again, sa mga Bisaya diha, kumusta? I am a wife and a passionate assistant nurse. I'm a proud digital business owner for more than 4 years na jud, guys. There is a business, part-time ko, pero sa akong nursing, casual ko dire. So, again, to answer that question, sir, what was the first positive change you noticed outside of income? Before, Jud, no, I ever earned a single dollar in this business. Siguro the first positive change I noticed was my mindset, Jud. Kaya when I started, I wasn't really in a good place mentally, no? So I was really overwhelmed with life, stressed with work, grabe ka exhausted and carrying so much negativity because of everything happening in my life and as well as my within your surroundings ba. So I remember na halos ra ng drama sa akong life ako i-post sa Facebook. So ginawa ko family, away sa friends. Bisa ganing relationship, right? So but away sa friends anyway, moral jud ko kanang na ADHD yan tungtungura ba. But I realized nga kung gusto jud di ay nako ang change is I have to change my mindset first from being negative to positive. Kay kuan bitaw when you're too negative about yourself, it really attracts your surroundings and who you with. Mo na nga murag makahinuklog ko this time ha, ako lang jud i-relate sa akong personal life na mo dito nga sa una mga previous relationship na ho dili jud tarong mga kuan ba. Pero karon kay negative jud di ay ko. So pero of course karon it's all good na, but before as well na when I first started I doubted myself if I can do this or not. But now I really believe in this business and mostly I believe in myself, Jud. So the confidence follows, Jud, after having a positive mindset. And as well as now, the business didn't just give me income, but it also helped me rebuild my thinking, my confidence, and also my outlook on life. So mostly positive na jud. Kung naa may mga kanang kakulian, rarely na jud, but mostly positive kay kini nga mga business partners diri guys, mo jud na murag mo pull in jud nimo nga to be become positive. Bisag usahay jud nga na jud mga negative, but mostly positive jud mi dire. Basta karon basta mag-shift gani ning atong mindset jud I know positive from positive every